Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo to Canva. So as you can see, we are on the Canva desktop, and what you want to do is either come over to the left-hand side and press create a design, or if you're wanting a template, you can press one of these along the top. So I'm just going to go for YouTube thumbnail. And that is now opened up a brand new design for us. So we're going to come over to the left hand side and we're going to try and find uploads. So it's just up here for us. Amazing. And then you want to press this purple button that says upload files. And then you want to pick any of your images here that you've got. So I just, let's have a look. I'm just going to select this one here that I've created with AI, and that's just loading. And then once that's loaded, great, we can bring it into our design. So we've got our image, and then you can resize it if you want to. So by holding down any of the corners and dragging, making it bigger, wider, whatever it is that you want to do. You can also change the edges on the image as well. So if you select the image, come up to this bar at the top, you've got this corner rounding option. So you can actually smooth those corners out and make them nice and rounded, however you want. You can also add a border. So you've got the border style, so you can give that a click. And then you've got the option to change the color for it as well. So if we go for a pink to kind of match the image, you can also change its transparency as well. So you can make it transparent if you want, or bring it back to 100 and it's solid. And you can also flip the image as well. Amazing. So that was how to add a photo to Canva. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.